So right off the bat, I really like the overall driving feel of this Sequoia. People in this market want something nice and big that they feel like they can see over everybody else and that they're in something really safe. And this really gives you that feeling. And I just always have liked Toyota's 5.7 liters. They're just super strong, sound super, super big. And they're fast. They really are. They're thirsty, but they're fast. So now we're going to go ahead and take it on the interstate. We're going to give it a little throttle here. So really, really good power, of course. And then you can turn on the radar cruise control, and it's already braking to keep my vehicle a safe distance between me and the truck in front of me. And going back to how it just feels really beefy, it's a pretty windy day out here, and really, even though I'm right next to this truck, I'm not being blown all over the interstate like I would in a car or a smaller SUV, just because of how heavy and big this thing really is. And I really like the brake pedal feel too. Nice and controlled, strong, sturdy. And this Sequoia powertrain has been around for a very long time. I have an 07 Tundra that has the exact same powertrain as this 21 Sequoia. But I mean, there's a reason that these things go 200, 300,000 miles, no problem. And that's why Toyota stuck with them so long. Because people want something that they can keep a long time and that they know won't break down on them after a few miles. And it's just a really good powertrain, really strong, and it's simple. You have a 6-speed automatic, nothing crazy. It's not a 10-speed, but you're also able to get pretty good power when you need it, when you put your foot down. And the only issue is going to be getting 13 to 14 miles per gallon in the city. Yeah, this thing just gives out really, really good power. And even though it's heavy, I mean, it's getting, what, 381 to 400 horsepower out of this V8. So it's definitely not slow. But this is gonna bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Toyota Sequoia Limited.